The Supreme Court case that we had was Mapp vs. Ohio. It happened in 1961. Some general information about the case was Dolly Mapp was suspected in harboring a fugitive who took part in the bombing in Cleveland, Ohio. Police demanded entrance into her home, but she refused due to lack of a search warrant. The police then waited outside of her house for several hours. After some time had passed, the police returned to her home and presented a fake warrant to trick her into letting them into her home. When they were searching her home, they did not find anything to suggest that she was involved in the bombing, but did find a chest full of pornographic images. The police arrested Mapp on possession of obscene materials. At the trial, the police did not show the court the warrant or provide a reason as to why not. She was found guilty at both the state court and the Ohio Supreme Court levels. The case was then taken to the United States Supreme Court. At the United States Supreme Court, the constitutional issue that was addressed was, should evidence obtained without a search warrant be admissible in the court of law?
At the U.S. Supreme Court, the court deemed that evidence obtained through a search that violates the Fourth Amendment is inadmissible in state courts. It said that courts on all levels of the government must exclude evidence that was illegally obtained from search and seizures. It was very difficult to decide when to apply this new rule, making it a very controversial decision. The dissenting opinion. John Marshall Harlan faulted the lack of judicial restraint for deciding a constitutional question that had not been properly briefed and argued. The pivotal issue in the case, according to Harlan, was whether the Ohio law was consistent with the rights of the free, and the expression assured against the state action by the 14th Amendment. Problems that had occurred. We had problems getting the GoPro connecting to the computer for use as a webcam in our screen recording software. To fix this, we decided to use a laptop with a built-in webcam. For the future, it would be easier to use a dedicated webcam or any other method of syncing the live video to the screen capturing presentation.